Oh my God!
That
I
was a
turned it
weird
on
one.
right, just perfect, Ed.
That was a weird one.
I,
Like a
I
circle.
missed part of it, but I turned it on right when it did it. I got it. I got the one long bolt.
Because it was like a circle up on the top there.
Oh, that was cool. I did. It was right when I turned it on, I got the bolt. I didn't get the spread on the top, though. There it is.
On the lightning show, they say, wow, look at that.
Oh, I got that one perfect, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that was perfect.
That's how long it takes for the sound to get here.
Yeah. I'd say at least 25, 30 seconds.
I figure 500 feet a second.
Oh, it's some good rain, too. I want it. So far, we've been lucky. It's been that straight, perfect line right south where I have the camera aimed.
How would you want to be sitting here and have it hit this tree right here?
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Probably have a heart attack.
Yeah. We'd have
From
debris.
electricity.
We would have debris flying at us, that's for sure.
Not only that, but the energized thing that could affect you.
You never know.
Could affect you. That close.
Never know. It's gonna screw me now.
It's probably gone by now.
No, it's there. It's growing. It's building up. It's gonna have a real good blast here in a second. I got two good ones. Two good ones. Give me one more.
You got the cat out here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You're in the chair.
Doobie.
That's Bubba.
No, it's Doobie. That's Doobie. Didn't feel that bad. Wow, there.
Oh, I got it too. I told you. There's my third one. There's my third one. Oh, I'm just gonna hold it here. It's gonna be killer. I'm only 3 minutes and 2 seconds in. I've gotten 3. I'm averaging 1 a minute. That's cool. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna download it on there. I'm gonna label it, and I'm gonna see if I can send it off to Channel 5.
That one was a little closer. Feel a little breeze kicking up.
I don't smell rain though. Give me 4. Oh, I got that one perfect. Oh my God, that was so good. That was so good.
Something down there must be really getting hit.
Dude, something's getting crushed. It's a lot of energy.